biker got pulled over because he was driving a bit too fast while overtaking police.
Denkt u waarom wij 60 rijden?
Ja, dat deed je 60 mag.
Ja, ga jij 80 rijden? Nee, geen 80. Mag je rijbewijs even? Rijbewijs even. Natuurlijk een beetje vreemd dat wij hier ons aan de snelheid houden, dat jij ons dan in gaat halen en op mijn teller reed je 80. Dus het zal misschien iets langzamer zijn. Dat wel. 60 kilometer. Yes?
Yep.
Goed zo.
Zit de kop heb je ook?
Ja, ik niet.
Terug in zonder rijden.
Oké. Nou, goed weekend verder. Denk een beetje aan de snelheid. Goed zo.
Fijn weekend.
These bikers thought that they got away with the fast riding, but little did they know that sheriff called in and police waited for them.
Uh-oh. That's what speed does around that curve.
So here's the deal. I need driver's license because the deputy you passed had you at about 100 miles an hour. So ain't a road just laying out. You just transported the guy right now. I don't think it's
Ouch.
50.
That's 50 back there?
It's around the corner.
From Zumbro Falls up to the highway is 50.
Oh.
Yes, yes, sir.
Wow, okay.
So the deputy you passed had you guys, group of 3, at about 100.
Okay.
Whether it is or isn't, we're having a little conversation.
Yeah.
I'm not writing any tickets, just so we're clear.
Camera's going?
Oh yeah.
I watch the videos on Instagram all the time.
I'm sorry?
I watch the videos on Instagram all the time.
Oh.
Not yours, I don't know if you have it.
Well, you might. No, I'm actually on Instagram.
Oh, right. They estimated him at 80.
What happened?
Too fast. Come around that one and lost it.
Yeah.
I don't know if the wind hit him or just couldn't hand it. But he was with he was leading about 20
Oh.
20 bikes through.
Yeah.
I thought it's a beautiful day.
Yeah.
It is windy though.
It was.
Yeah, it was.
So honestly, how fast were you coming around the corner? It wasn't 50.
This corner?
Yeah.
I really don't know.
That's 50 miles an hour.
Okay.
We just hauled the guy away.
Yeah.
I think I already said that.
Yep.
I know these are a blast. I know why you guys come over here and ride Highway 60, but it's 50 miles an hour.
Yeah.
So take care.
I will.
There's the finger shake. Slow down. I don't want to pick one of you up off the highway.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Be careful and have
Safe, guys.
We will.
Have fun. Am I gonna be on Instagram?
No.
Oh.
I actually don't do Instagram, so I'm almost 50, so I'm too old for that.
I'm almost 50 and I got it just because my kids have it.
Cops saw this biker mid-wheelie and of course he went immediately after him. Let's see, will he get a ticket or not?
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing all right, sir.
Let me see your license, please.
Yes, sir.
You know that was one of the dumbest damn moves you could ever do?
Yes, sir. I do.
Let me see your license.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and put the kickstand down.
Yes, sir.
If you're coming through my town, popping a damn wheelie like that,
Yes, sir. I know, man.
I should be taking your ass to jail, man.
Yes, sir. I'm very sorry. My wallet's right here.
Go ahead and get it. I'll run the tag.
Yes,
Have
sir.
a seat.
Yes, sir.
Hey, man.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to give you a break, man.
Okay.
Because I'm on my way to the side gig.
Yes, sir.
I should be taking you to jail right about
Yes,
now.
sir. I know. Man.
That's the
very
most dumb
sorry,
and
man.
stupidest thing. That's reckless driving, man.
Yes, sir. I really appreciate it. It's not worth my life, and
Definitely not. And
So-
not worth the life of somebody else to pull out in front of you.
yes, sir. Well, thank you, officer. Have a good one, man.
I wasn't planning on recording this early on the day, but there's a cop behind me, so we gotta make sure if he tries to pull me over, everything's all good. I'm wearing my Halloween costume, as some of y'all may see, or you will see on this camera. I do have an airsoft gun holstered to my thigh, so that might be it.
2 seconds later.
Hold on, I gotta stop my music. It's an airsoft gun. Huh? It's an airsoft gun. I don't know if you noticed that. It's on my thigh. It's on my thigh. It's my Halloween costume. No, it's on my thigh. Right here.
You mind if I take it?
Yeah, go ahead. Take it all the way out. It has a Velcro and then a little, like, button. You could check it. The clip is broken, so it doesn't even hold BBs. Yeah. You could put it wherever you feel comfortable putting it.
I don't know if it's the smartest thing to be riding around with, but I appreciate your honesty. Tell me you have it.
Yeah, no.
It looks like a real gun.
Yeah, no, I know.
Right.
It's part of the costume. That's why I was like.
Listen, reason I'm stopping you is I don't see a plate on your bike.
Yeah, it's right here. The thing in the back little like plate holders, one of them fell off with my other plate on the parkway. So I'm waiting for the new ones to come in, which is like the OEM style ones that go back here and they stick up.
Have it on you?
Yeah, I have it right here. Can I get off?
Yeah. What's the extension cord for?
This is an air hose. I'm bringing it to my brother.
Okay.
Yeah. This is not part of my costume. It's just I'm bringing it down to my brother's.
What's it supposed to be for Halloween?
Deathstroke. You know Deathstroke? Look at the mask. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Is that what you thought I was pulling you over because of that? I didn't.
Yeah. I already knew the consequences, and I know that if somebody pulls me over, I know how to act and not. I just got my firearms permit. I'm trying to get my concealed carry. I'm in the military.
Okay.
So yeah, I know how to act around you guys. I'm not a kid like that. There you go. Both IDs.
Here's your paperwork back and your license and your plate. Try and get this mounted on your bike.
Yeah, no, I am 100%. I just gotta wait, like I said, like if you see, so this is what used to hold the plate up. There was another one.
Yeah, I mean, listen, I'm not gonna lie to you, man. I thought for sure as soon as I lit this up, you were gonna be rocking.
No.
That happened to me. I go, all right, here we go, and now I'm just gonna turn my lights off. All right.
Tom Zuber pulled me over. Manchester pulled me over, and they say the same thing. Like, you look back, I thought you were gone. I'm like, nah, man, I don't got a reason to like disrespect you guys.
Man. I was getting ready for it.
Nah, I'm good.
I
Man.
ain't chasing nobody, but I appreciate you pulling over and your honesty.
Yeah, no problem.
All
Take
right,
care,
man.
man. Have a good day.
This biker went over 30 miles per hour over the speed limit, and unfortunately, he didn't get away with it.
Morning, sir.
Morning.
So I stopped using speed. I had me going 57 miles an hour. Speed limit is 35. You'll see your driver's license.
Yes.
Thank you. And what insurance company do you have?
I have Foremost Insurance.
Foremost?
Yeah, can I pull that out? I think I have it on me.
That's okay. What year's your... I don't want you to dig into your back.
Okay.
What year's your motorcycle?
2018, Suzuki Boulevard.
Okay, give me a minute. Okay, sir. This is for the speed. I do need you to please sign right here. It's not an admission of guilt. It's just a promise to appear. That's on or before June 30th.
Sign where?
By appearing inside this box. By appearing means online or in person. The doctor copy will explain that to you. Thank you. Here's your copy, your driver's license back.
Okay.
Thanks for your cooperation. You have a safe day, okay?
All right, thank you.
And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave the like and follow us on other platforms. Links are in the description. If you want to support us, visit Lunatic store and get yourself something nice. See you in the next one. Ride safe!